The Jamaica Constabulary Force probes viral video of naked TikToker Rosalie allegedly taken by the police during an operation. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF says it's investigating photos and videos circulating on social media showing a popular TikToker Rosalie nude allegedly taken by officers during an operation at her private premises. In a statement on Sunday, the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that it is aware of allegations, particular claims of the unauthorized recording and distribution of a female occupant in a compromising position. Noting it takes such allegations seriously, the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that an investigation has been launched by the Criminal Investigation Branch and the Inspectorate of Professional Standards Oversight Bureau to determine the facts surrounding this incident. The JCF is committed in maintaining the highest standards of professionalism and integrity. Any conduct that falls short of these standards will be addressed in accordance with the established procedures. The ongoing investigation will be conducted with utmost seriousness, and any necessary corrective action will be taken based on findings, the force said. Member of Parliament for Western St. Andrew Anthony Hilton is calling for a full investigation into the incident involving the police and the circulation of the video.
This is Anthony Hilton, Member of Parliament for West St. Andrew. I am deeply disturbed by the recent violation of my constituent, Ms. Rosalie Hamilton. The video recording and posting of her in a state of undress following a police operation at her home is not only a gross invasion of privacy, but a serious breach of the Cybercrimes Act. If this was done by the police, as alleged, it represents a new law in policing, one that must never be tolerated by the leadership of the Jamaica Constabulary Force or by society at large. I condemn this deplorable act, and I am demanding a full and transparent investigation into this incident, with swift action taken against those responsible. No citizen should be subjected to this kind of abuse and humiliation. I will continue to stand by Ms. Hamilton to ensure her well-being and mental health as she navigates this distressing ordeal. Jamaica, we must not allow this to become the norm. We must demand better. Thank you.
In a video posted on her social media account, Miss Rosalie Hamilton recounts what happened.
When I wake up in my deep sleep, I wake up in the front of 6 police or 7. Checks at gunpoint. Someone grab off for the gun. Me grab off for the gun. Me grab off for the gun. Yo, what I do? What I do? Remember, you know, I'm asleep, I come out. Because I come out, I'm asleep. And them start shoot up, coming in my deep sleep. When you're in your deep sleep, and you just wake up and turn 8 to turn full. One time I ask them if them have a warrant for search. They never know someone come to a place like that. Madam ask if you have a warrant for search. We don't know coming after that. Them do a Jamaica to the young youths them. Them use them blue clothes. Them not come off. Them use them blue uniform and bully the boy them at Jamaica. All of them. Them blue uniform, you ought to have no justice. Them use them blue uniform going to Garrison and kick off young boy. Most of the young boy them when them say are done and the things them are all them are this and that. When them analyze them never have a gun yet. Most of the young boy them when you see them kick off them door. We need to talk to Andrew Holness. And at that, you know what, if I vote for you, because I never vote. I could have never vote for you, never. Someone ask the Prime Minister. I want to ask the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Sir Dr. Andrew Holness, or Mr. Holness, or Mr. Andrew Holness. What the system I do for we as poor people? For police can come to my house, have me be for at gunpoint, and then I go video me and throw it on social media. What is that? What that? What that? If you can't video me, come to my house, so you have to sting operation, you have search, video me and put me on social media. I need answers, of course. I need a whole heap of answer. One whole heap, I forget. I forget a whole heap of answers. Yeah? So Mr. Andrew Holness, what I do to the public and the people them, what in the so-called worker, what I have done in the JCF force. It's all the while when you kick down the young boy them gate door, go to them house, see them with all them baby mother, analyze them innocently. Cause police always a look stripe. Police always a look stripe. And always a look stripe. When you come out the police and out, we can't get a justice now, you know. They won't take them off a frontline duty. They won't take them off a frontline duty. I will tell them off a frontline duty. No come out to look on the girl where the policeman analyze and cremate her. But when the girl in him, man, I know that case I can't down a court. What a girl in here, man? Anally, I know that case I can't down a court. I know that case I can't down a court.
Since the incident, Miss Rosalie has got emotional online while carrying out her live streams.
Can't keep up with this. They that take me. Me can't keep up. But can't do this no more. I'm gonna do. Me can't do.
JX girl, probably should. JX girl home. She need out any home in the way of the roads and a can big home and a drive come around your yard and girl home. JX cause yeah money. Me don't like them so here.
Done, man.
You know what I'm done. What do you see when you ball and this so you mash up weight with the rose?
Yeah, man. Stop it, man, Rose.
Oh, God, man. Done the rose, man. Me there no, man. Me there rose. Done with it. Yeah, me there, man.
Tomorrow you're there and tomorrow you're gone away. Yeah, hurt me.
We talk about us.
Yeah, tomorrow you're here. Tomorrow you're gone away. Yeah. You have to scare me deep. Because the internet is not for the weak. Yeah, so cut me deep. Me not think I want to do nothing. Me don't want to do this no more.
I got them more, but I like them. I like
Me have them win, man. But
name of
most,
Jesus, when God say yes, about the chance to no road stop that.
yeah, cause you know why? When them come, fire.
When I go friend, come back to the show, man.
When them come fire, them tell me, oh, me this, oh, me that. I want to tell people, oh, me trouble people. But not the people say, no, me trouble the people, them. I want me say this, I want me say that about people. And all, wanna say, would never one day say, no, say,
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.